Okay, so to begin, you always start in your Google Drive. You will go down to your classroom folder. Hopefully, your drive is not as congested as mine. Look for the classroom that you're looking for the assignment in. And for me, I like to go to the folder where the assignment is uh, all organized, and I create a new spreadsheet within that folder because I like to put everything in their folders. As you notice, I have 5,000 folders and everything. It just makes it easier for me, but you can organize as you wish. So a blank spreadsheet is all you need. You can, if you don't have one already made, you just go to New and you'll go to Google Sheets. That's all. So naming it grading sheet, for example, I like to recreate it with grading sheet 4 and then put the name of the assignment. That's as hard as this actually is. The next step is to go to add-ons. You should already have Doctopus listed as an add-on and go to launch. From launch, you will then get the following screens, hopefully. So when it comes up on the right-hand side, it's actually pretty simple because there's two different modes here. You can ingest from a Google Classroom assignment, or you can get from a distribute drive resources to a roster. Here, what we're focused on is using Google Classroom. So we're going to ingest a Google Classroom assignment. And the class that we're going to work on is from Welcome to Google Classroom, which is what I just did. And the only assignment in here, of course, is my example, but it would give you a list of every assignment that you have. Let it do its thing. The more you have, the longer this takes, just so you know. In the beginning, if you're just getting started with Google Classroom and just getting started using Google Drive, your drive will be a lot less cluttered, therefore easier for it to find the assignments and ingest it. The more you have and the more cluttered your stuff is, like mine, the little bit longer it takes. So once it finds everything, you will just, you can click to only ingest files that are considered turned in, or you can have it ingest even things that your students have not clicked as finished. You choose. Click ingest assignment. And let it do its thing. It's going to create a whole page for you. It'll have all your students, their names, the times that they turned it in. It'll have a link to all of their assignments. You're going to be amazed. And there it is. So in the first column, the first name, last name separated, email or account numbers. Okay, and then it has a file key, which you won't need. It'll have, titles, and then here is the link that you will need. Okay, so that is the first part of this, and this is using Doctopus.